False. You will agree that iPhones are the best premium smartphones and everyone wants to get a new iPhone. So if you got a new iPhone and are looking to transfer data from old phone to new iPhone, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pinned comment to transfer phone data from old phone to new iPhone after setup. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone after setup. False. If you have got a new iPhone and you have not set it up yet, you can use Move to iOS to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free. But if you have set up your iPhone and are using it for few days and don't want to hard reset to transfer data, well, you can't use Move to iOS. Well, that's not the only problem with Move to iOS. It also requires latest hardware and software. So if you are using old models of iPhone or Android phone, you can't use Move to iOS. Well then, how to transfer data like contacts, messages, photos and videos? Well, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. False. For this, we will be using a professional phone transfer tool, and here comes iCarefone iTransgo from Tenorshare. Compared to Move to iOS, iTransgo can transfer data without any errors that you can get while using Move to iOS. Tenorshare iCarefone iTransgo can transfer phone data from Android to iPhone without reset. No reset is required. The best part is, instead of full restore, we can select the data we want to transfer. Wow, that's cool. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading. Once iTransgo free download completes, click on this to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once the installation gets completed, click on this to open Tenorshare iTransgo. Here we have iTransgo with all its features and capabilities. We can do so much more with this, but today I will show you all how to use iTransgo to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone after setup. Here we are back on iTransgo and clicked on start. Now we will be required to connect our Android phone with computer. Connected my Android phone, which is Redmi 4. Once connected, it will ask for enable USB debugging. Follow the steps to do it. Open settings and then about phone. Tap 7 times on MIUI version to enable developer mode. Go back and then scroll down to additional settings. Tap on it and here we will have developer options. Tap on it to open it. Now here we will have USB debugging. Toggle this on and allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. A dialog box opens up. Tap on OK. Now iTransgo will install iLuxury app on Android phone. Click on install. Now we may be required to install it manually. Scan this QR code and then it will ask to open a website. Tap on go to website. Open with browser. Now it will download connected app. Go to downloads and then tap on APK to install. It will ask to enable installation of apps from unknown sources. Tap on settings and then toggle on unknown sources. Tap on OK. Go back and tap on downloaded APK to install it. Tap on install. It starts installing. Once done, on Transgo it shows connected successfully. Now we will be required to connect our iPhone with computer. Once connected, it shows trust this computer notification on iPhone. Tap on trust and enter your device passcode. Once both phones are connected, we are ready to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Here is my Android phone, which has around 200 plus contacts. Now I want to transfer these to my iPhone. Here is my iPhone, which is already set up and it has around 193 contacts. Now we will use iTransgo to merge contacts from Android phone to iPhone. Click on start. Now here we have option to select the data we want to transfer. As we want to transfer contacts, select it and then click on start scan. It will ask for permission to access contacts. Allow it and it scans for contacts. Within few seconds, it shows that we have 204 contacts that we can transfer. Tap on transfer data. It starts transferring data and within few seconds, it shows transfer successfully. Now we can check iPhone for transfer contacts. See, it will have all our contacts from Android phone transferred to iPhone. See, now it has around 397 contacts. So easy and fast. Same way you can also transfer contacts from Android to iPhone after setup using Tenorshare iTransgo. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare iTransgo free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's show about Tenorshare iTransgo pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. See, here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare iTransgo. Choose a plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you to try out Tenorshare iTransgo if you are looking to transfer data from Android to iPhone after setup. And if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to Development Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Now you are looking to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. If yes, this video is for you. सुपर थैंक्स अपने YouTube वीडियो पर इनेबल कैसे करें और सुपर थैंक्स के थ्रू आप कैसे अपना रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं।